Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the aspect ratio for your pictures or videos on Leica D Lux 7. And to do this we'll need to look right here, and on the top we can see the slider. So here you can slide it and adjust the aspect ratio. Also, if you want to see on the screen what aspect ratio you're currently using, you can see it right here, and for me currently it's 3.2, and here it is also. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.